Hi, my name's Nadia Dyson and today I'm in the glorious Jolly Harbour and I'm on the North Finger. I'm here to show you a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa for 22D. Let's go take a look inside. So as you enter the property, you're greeted by this lovely open plan kitchen. Now it does need some work, but it does have a built-in dishwasher. You've got your oven and your fridge and all other appliances, plus lots of cabinet space. Then moving through the property, you come to your guest bathroom, which is here. And through to your dining area and then your open plan living room. So you have a really nice sized living room and that leads straight on out to your glass sliding doors and onto your balcony. So this property has a really nice outside space with patio tiles, and in front you have seawall. And now in this harbour here you can go up to 40 foot. So if you are looking to have a boat dock, you can have a 40-foot boat dock, or you can have a lovely big sun deck for sun lounges and maybe a little gazebo. Lots of space to do something with. It's a blank canvas for you. Right, so now I've shown you the outside and downstairs. Let's go and have a look at the bedrooms. So we come up the stairs and we've got 2 bedrooms. We're going to check out the master bedroom first. So we're in the primary bedroom and you've got a good queen bed with your bedside tables, there's air conditioning and there's an ensuite bathroom. Now it's a really good size and you've got your private balcony. Let's take a look outside. Because this villa is for sale, whenever you're looking to purchase property, I always think it's good to look at what improvements you can do to add value. Now here, this space here, it has a ceiling. So if you wanted to extend the bedroom and have a really good bedroom, this will be pretty easy because the tiles run all the way through and you could just put lovely sliding doors here. And you've got so many fantastic views of the harbour and the mountains. I almost forgot, we've got the ensuite bathroom. Let's take a look at this. This bathroom's actually been renovated, so you've got his and her sinks and a really nice cabinet, double mirrors, and a really nice tiled shower. So that's the primary bedroom. Now let's go and check out the second bedroom. The second bedroom is a great size, currently set up with 2 twin beds. It's got a really nice window, high ceilings, and an ensuite bathroom. Now, the ensuite bathroom has been renovated, which is great. You've got a really nice vanity and a rainfall shower. Let me give you the rundown of Villa 422D. The property is 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms on the North Finger of Jolly Harbour. It's 1,000 square foot and it has up to 40-foot space in front of the property on the water if you wanted a dock or a decking area. The property does need some renovation and that is why it's such a great price at $350,000 US. So if you'd like the property and you want to take a tour, please contact us today at info@luxurylocations.com. We really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel below. Thanks for watching. Bye.